Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do revise again the equivalent fraction. Now first question is find first three equivalent fraction by multiplication. By multiplication and how much? Three equivalent fraction. So 2, 3, 4. So we will multiply as a fraction the given digit. The given digit is 5 by 7. We will multiply it as 2, 3, 4 as a fraction, then 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. So we will get the answer with the multiplying it. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. Again the same digit 5 by 7, we multiplied it by 3 by 3, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Again 5 by 7 because the digit will be remain same and we have to find out first three equivalent fraction. First three means 2, 3, 4. So I have taken 2, 3, 4. So first 2, 3, 4 is the first fraction that we are going to multiply. So here 5 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 4 is equal to 20 by 28. So first three equivalent fraction of 5 by 7 is 10 by 14, 15 by 21 and 20 by 28. Find first two equivalent fraction by division. Now by division means whatever the fraction is given, we have to divide it and we get the one at last. So what digit here is 14 and 28. 14 will come into table of 2 and 28 also coming in table of 2. So we will divide it with the fraction of 2. So 14 20 by 28 divided by 2 by 2. If you divide it, so we will get 2 7s are 14 and 2 14s are 28. You can divide it like this. You can see 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. 14. Same here 14 by 28 because we have to get two equivalent fraction. So first is this and the second is again the same digit, and again we have to see that in which table it comes a 14 and 28, that is 7. Then we again 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 and 7 4s are 28. So 7 by 14 and 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 14 by 28 by dividing. Now you have to keep in your mind that it multiplication. First three equivalent you can take 2, 3, 4 or you have to multiply the given fraction with that fraction. But in division, whatever the fraction is given, you have to first of all check that what are the first two digit that you have. If you have to divide it, then you get the in which table we get both the fraction, both the digit, both the numbers, and after that we will divide and get the answer. Next question, write the lowest term. Here is 12 by 4 multiplied by 6 by 6. So here is, if we multiply it, then 12 6 are 72 and 4 6 are 24. So then if we divide it, means we have to divide it till we will get the lowest term. So 72 24. So I have divided it into like at last we will get what? We will get 9 by 3 or 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 by 1, or you can say 3 is the answer. So this is an example of multiplication. And division, 36 by 54 divided by 9 by 9. So if we divide it, we will get the 4 and we will get the 6 here. After that 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. After that the fraction is 2. Lowest term of this given digit is given fraction is 2 by 3. This is the lowest term. Now we will not divide it. We will not cut 2 and we will not cut 3. Now this is the lowest term. Fill in the blanks to make the equivalent fraction. Now 1 by 3 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 7 by what to get 7 by 21. Now here you can see that now 7 1s are 7. Now this is a blank. We don't know what we have to fill here. Then to which digit we have to multiply 3 to get 21. So the digit is again 7. 7 3 7s are 21. Now here it has given, but one digit is not given here and one digit is not given here. So 9 9s are what comes? That is 81. 9 9s are 81. 9 nines are 81. And now here, to which digit we have to, if we multiply here with 9, so just here if we put the 9 here, then we will see that 4 nines are 36 also. So here we will write down 9. Now in this question, here is only in denominator only 9, and here is 4 by 18. So here what digit it comes? Now you have to see it very carefully, that 4 by 18 is given, and here is nothing is given. So first of all, to which digit we have to multiply 9 to get 18? That is 9 2s are 18. And if we multiply it by 2 here, whatever digit we have to multiply, with same digit we have to multiply the given digit. That is, if we multiplied 9 by 2 here, that we get 18. Now we will divide 18 by 2. We will divide 18 to 2. Then we get, if we multiply by this denominator to 2, then with the same formula we have to divide this 4 also with the same digit. Then we will again divide 4 to 2. So here will be the answer. 2 2s are 4. The answer will be 2. Now you have to keep it in your mind. Now here 7 by whom is equal to 63 by 135. Now here first of all we can see that we multiplied to which digit we have to multiply 7 to get 63. Then 7 nines are 63. Now we multiplied it, 7 nines are 63. Now if we multiplied this digit, this is equal to, if this side we multiplied 7 to 9. So this side we again divided by the same digit. So here we will divide 63 by 9. If the numerator is 9, then the denominator is also 9. Then 135 we will do same. We will divide 135 to 9. Then if we divide it, we will get 15. Means here what the digit is? Here is 15. Now add. This is a mixed fraction, 2 1 by 8 and 3 6 by 2. So in this type of question, first of all we will multiply this to this and then plus 1. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17 by 8 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 6, 12 by 2. Now this is first digit, 17 by 8. Now we have to multiply. Now first of all we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Then 8 by 2, the LCM will be what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The LCM is 8. So here 17 by 8 multiplied by what? To get 8 here. So we will multiply it. 8 1s are 8. If we multiply 1 here, then on the numerator we will again multiply it by 1. So answer will be 17 by 8. Now here 12 by 2, this digit, this fraction 12 by 2. Now we don't know here what it comes, and here we also don't know what it comes. So we have to multiply 2 to which digit to get 8? So 2 4s are 8. If we multiplied by 4 as denominator, so we will multiply 4 as numerator also. Then the answer 4 by 4. Then 2 4s are 8 and 12 4s are 48. Now because the numerator is same, denominator is same, so we added 17 plus 48 is equal to 65 by 8, or 65 by 8 we can write it 8 is a 64. 1 is here. We can write this one also, and in mixed fraction we can write the answer like this, that 8 1 by 8 is the answer. Now subtract, same formula, same method we. Now subtract 2 by 5 minus 1 1 by 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 minus 10 1s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. Now here we will, if we take the LCM, then LCM is 5 2s are 10. LCM is 10. So LCM is 10. Then 12 by 5 we have to again LCM is 10, so we have to multiply 5 by whom to get 10. So 5 2s are 10. If we multiply denominator to 2, so we multiply numerator with also 2. Then 12 2s are 24. Again same we have to done. After that, because the denominator is same, so we have taken 1 only, and 24 minus 11 will be 13 by 10. Or you can write 10 ones are 10 or 3. So 1 3 by 10 is the answer, is as mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction and this is fraction. So as an example, as answer is in, if you are giving in mixed fraction, so this is the answer. Now the next is write the number that is same as given number. 2 by 3 is equal to what to get 4 by 6? The same question. Now we have to multiply it by 3 to whom to get 6. Then 3 2s are 6. And if you multiply it by 2 here, then we again multiply it by 2 here. So then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 by 3 means we have to multiply it by 2 by 2 to get 4 by 6. Now we have 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is equal to what? To get 14 by 8. First of all, we will see the denominator. We have to multiply 4 to what? To get 8. Then 4 2s are 8. If you multiply it here 2, then again as a denominator we multiply it with the same number. Then 7 2s are 14 means 2. Then this is the answer. Thank you.